Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today here we are with a new video. In this video we will be learning about multiplexing. So we'll be discussing what is multiplexing, why we use multiplexing, history of multiplexing, what are the different types of multiplexing, and also the advantages and disadvantages of multiplexing. Multiplexing is the process of combining multiple signals into one signal over a shared medium. If the analog signals are multiplexed, then it is called as analog multiplexing. And if the digital signals are multiplexed, then it is called as digital multiplexing. The hardware used for multiplexing is known as a multiplexer. So why we prefer multiplexing? When the transmission medium is used to send the signal from sender to receiver, the medium can only have one signal at a time. When multiple signals share the common medium, there is a possibility of collision. Multiplexing is a concept that is used to avoid such collision. Transmission services are very expensive, hence we use multiplexing. So, for example, if there are 10 signals and the bandwidth of medium is 100 units, then the 10 units is shared by each signal. History of multiplexing. Multiplexing originated in telegraphy in the early 1870s and is now widely used in communication. So in the above diagram, the n input lines are transmitted through a multiplexer and the multiplexer combines the signal to form a composite signal. Then the composite signal is passed through a demultiplexer and the demultiplexer separates a signal to component signals and then transfer them to their respective destination. The multiplexing techniques can be classified as follows. FDM is frequency division multiplexing. It is an analog technique in which the available bandwidth of a single transmission medium is subdivided into several channels, means all the signals are operated at the same time with different frequency. The above diagram shows that a single transmission medium is subdivided into different frequency channels. WDM, wavelength division multiplexing, is an analog multiplexing technique which is same as FDM except that the optical signals are transmitted through the fiber optic cable. TDM is time division multiplexing. It is a digital technique. In TDM, all signals operate at the same frequency with different time. In TDM, the total time available in the channel is distributed among different users. Each user is allocated with different time intervals, known as a time slot at which the data is to be transmitted by the sender. There are two types of TDM. First, synchronous TDM, and second, asynchronous TDM. In synchronous Tdm, each device is allocated with same time slot. The time slots are transmitted irrespective of whether the sender has data to send or not. Here the signals are sent in the form of frames. In asynchronous, there are 4 devices, but only 2 devices are sending the data, that is A and C. The data of A and C are transmitted through the transmission line. So here we conclude our video, and in this video we have learned about what are the different multiplexing techniques, what is multiplexing, why we use multiplexing, and also the history and concept of multiplexing. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video was useful.